Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a clock using ChatGPT. So first of all, open your ChatGPT and write this command here. Make a website clock using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file. This single file means I want a clock in HTML, CSS and JavaScript file, but I don't want this code in separate files. I want this HTML, CSS and JavaScript code in a single file. So I'm going to sending this command here and waiting until ChatGPT create a clock for me here. So as you can see, the code has been generated and I'm going to copy this code from here and opening my index.html file and pasting the code here. Make sure to save and opening the index.html file here. And as you can see, a very basic clock has been created. So that's how we can do it. And if you want to make some editing or make some changes like CSS background color, border, then you can mention here. Just type make a clock using border, then give a border color, then give a background color here, then send the command and ChatGPT will generate a clock according to your requirements. So this is how we can make a clock using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.